want to make a quick video because these days I found a bit of trouble here in the boat. The thing is that we had a typhoon, and then after the typhoon a huge rain for days and days and days, and then all of a sudden I was down here and I found a leak. And then the problem of the leaks is that you see where the water is accumulating, but you don't know where is it coming from. And the problem is to find where is it coming from. And that was a tricky one. I don't know. The fact is I couldn't find proper information about island packet boats and this particular problem. So I decided to make this short video to show you guys what was the problem and how I found the solution, right? Well, what I think is the solution, we'll see when the rain comes back after fixing this, because I'm not 100% sure. So the thing is that the leak that I found was here. I'll put some light. I found water over there, and then it was accumulating this part here, and so it couldn't be this screw, these fittings through there, because there was no leak on them, and the water was accumulating here in this in this part. Then I used a mirror to try to find the leak, and I couldn't. But then I realized that this part there's hollow here. The rooftop is solid. I put paper here, paper there. Is the place where the water was getting accumulated. So here I touch dry. Okay, the other side dry. And then I was closing the paper until the water was in a place that I could figure out where it was coming from. The thing is that then I remove this lamp here to discover. I put my finger, let me see if I can put some light here, and then I put my finger inside, and I found that here was full of water. So I was getting close to sectorize where this was coming from. The closest thing to this hole here is the hatch, the port, right? Then this morning I went outside. I'll show you now outside. And now this is what I found. Now you see that I removed the frame. See that's the frame. I removed the frame, and then I followed the sealant, and then I found here at the very corner with the screwdriver I was touching, it was soft, and indeed there was a hole. You know, now I cleaned the old sealant. Now this is ready. I clean it up with a bit of sanding, some acetone, and then I put this blue tape, because now I'm going to reseal everything, including the screws one by one. Also, it took me days to discover this thing, and also it took me time, but also to be brave to take this thing out, because I've never done this, so I don't know. Every time you face a new job, it's kind of scary, you know. You don't know what you're gonna find, but it's very easy. Actually, it's very, very simple. Actually, here I've got the frame. You see, so it's very easy. So well, at least you can see that this was my doubt. I didn't know how this works. That these hatches, they fit from inside, and then the frame goes from outside. So it's really easy. With a cutter or something, you can cut a little bit and then put a bit of wood to try to slow by slow take it out. Okay, now let's start with a repair. Okay, so for this job I'm going to use this marine adhesive sealant 3M 5200, which I think is gonna work perfect. think it's very important to clean very well everything. Later I will clean with acetone I have here. So I did the same with the frame. Making a mess here, terrible. This is horrible. I don't know how to do this properly. But what do we say? Maybe the important thing is that there's no leak. You know how beautiful it is. Of course, if it's beautiful, better. Okay, now wait for the next big rain and then see what happens. I hope we fix the problem. Thank you for watching.